All right, welcome back, people. Um, Looking ahead to the USA game, there's a question that is on everybody's mind, and it's who starts in the midfield, Michael Hector or Devon Speedy Williams. Now, this won't be a long video. Um, I just want to go over some key statistics, and then you can decide for yourself. All right, we're going to start and just look at some Michael Hector's stats. All right, he has played two matches. He started those two matches. Um, he's played at least 67 minutes per game on average, and he has not made a team of the week. Attacking, which is not really the significant stat here, although he's playing in a midfield role, he has 0 goals. Scoring frequencies 0 minutes, goals per game, which would be zero, shots per game 0.5, shots on target per game 0, big chances missed 0. In terms of passing, a midfielder, this is important. 0 assist. He averages 45.5 touches. Big chances created 0. Key passes 0.5. Accurate passes per game 35.5 at 86%. Now we're getting into the important stats. Accurate passes in his own half 24 at 91%. Accurate pass in the opposition half 11.5 at 77%. Accurate passes on long balls 4.5 at 82%. Accurate chip passes 2 at 57%, and accurate crosses 0. All right. Defending, 0 clean sheets in the games that he played. That's not correct. Um, if I remember correctly, we beat Suriname 2-0. 2-0. So yes. Interceptions per game 0.5, tackles per game 0.5, possession one 0.10, excuse me, dribble pass per game 0.5, clearances per game 0.5, 0 errors leading to shots and 0 errors leading to goals, and 0 penalty goals conceded. Successful dribbles 0.5, totals duels 1, 3. Oh, the 0.5 is at 100%. Total duels 1, 3 at 43%. Ground duels 1, 1.0 at 29%. Aerial duels 1, 2.0 at 57%. Possession loss 6.5. Fouls 1, 2.0. Fouled 0 times. Offside 0 times. He has 0 cards, either yellow or red. And so that's a wrap up of Hector's stats. Now we're going to look at Speedy and compare it. All right. Speedy started in one match of the three that he played. He averages 46 minutes per game of those three matches, and he didn't make the team of the week in any of them. All right. Goals 0, scored frequency 0, goals per game 0, shots per game 0.3, shots on target 0, big chances created 0. Assists 0, touches 43.7, big chances created 0, key passes 0.3, accurate passes per game 36.0 at 95%, accurate passes in own half 18 at 96%, accurate passes in opposition half um, 18 also at 92%, accurate long balls 3.3 at 83%, accurate chip passes 1.3 at 80%, accurate crosses 0.0 at 0%. Now let me just run through some of these passing stats and compare them to Hector. So 95% accuracy rate with at 36 passes per game. Um, Hector is at 35.5 at 86%. He is at 24 in his own half at 91%. And in the opposition half, he's at 77%. So Speedy is outdoing him in the passing department. Um, Opposition half, Speedy is at 92% with 18 passes. In his own half, he averages 18 passes at 96%. All right. Hector is the only putting in 11.5 passes into the opposition half. Most of his passes are in his own half, so he has 24 passes in his own half compared to Speedy with 18. So it's clear to see who pushes the team forward more. All right. So if you can't see that by watching the game, it's very apparent. All right. In these stats. So let's move on from the passing to the defending. Because the reasoning is Hector must start because he's the better defender. All right. Interceptions per game is zero point 0.5. Tackles per game, 0.5. Possession 1, 0.5. Clearances per game, 0.5. Error leading to shots, 0. Error leading to goals, 0. All right. So interceptions per game for Hector is zero point 0.5. And tackles per game is 0.5. Possession 1 is 0. All right. Just repeating that. For Speedy, tackles 1 per game. No, that's the interceptions are 2.0. So he has 2 interceptions. Tackles per game 1.3. Possession 1 0.0. Dribble pass 0.0. Clearances 1. All right. 0 errors leading to goals, shots, or penalties. So again, Speedy is doing a better job in the defensive end or covering the defense as far as tackling is concerned. Now we have some other tackling stats that we can compare, right? Duels won, right? Hector now, the bigger man, the bigger defender, successful dribble 0.5 at 100%, right? Total duels won 3 at 43%. Ground duels won at 29%. Air duels 2.0 at 57%. So he's gone into 3 duels, one on the ground, one in the air. He's won half of those in the air, and he's won 3 duels, I should say. So which is at 43%. One on the ground, 2 in the air, and he's lost possession 6.5 times. He's committed 2 fouls, was fouled 0 times. All right. Speedy has 0 successful dribbles. He has 1.3 total duels won, so he's gone into less tackles than Hector, but he has a 67% success rate. Um, and the duel that he went into and won, the 100% successful rate was a ground duel. He hasn't gone into any aerial duels. So where we see Hector having an advantage with his height and his size and going in to just a few more tackles. He's lost possession 2.3 times compared to Hector 6.5 times. So Speedy is the tidier player. 0 fouls, was fouled 0 times, offside 0 times, 0 cards. All right. So in most departments, we see Speedy acquitting himself well. Um, Definitely not as physical as Hector, where Hector has been in more duels, especially dealing with teams that deal with that have more of an aerial presence. Hector can be more handy, but we see that from the stats point of view, Speedy is the more productive player for the team, even though he has played less minutes. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below, and stay tuned for more content. Guys, remember, like and subscribe. That's how the channel grows. And share as well. Recommend it to friends. Get the word out there. All right. Thanks for watching.